There is nothing more frustrating than a car that randomly stalls at a stoplight or refuses to start when you are already running late. And if you are seeing the code P0386, your crankshaft position sensor is likely the one to blame. This sensor is the heartbeat monitor of your engine, telling the powertrain control module exactly how fast the engine is spinning and where the pistons are located. Most of these use a simple magnet and a toothed wheel called a reluctor ring. As those teeth zip past the sensor, they create an alternating current signal that the computer reads as revolutions per minute. The code we're talking about specifically points to sensor B, so you'll need to check your service manual to see if that is the upper or lower sensor on your specific engine. When this signal goes fuzzy or disappears even for a split second, the computer loses track of the engine's timing and just gives up, leading to those annoying misfires or total stalls. To get to the bottom of this, you want to see if you can recreate the problem while watching your tachometer or a scan tool. If you are cranking the engine and the revolutions per minute reading stays at 0, you have found your ghost. Start with a visual check of the wiring, because these sensors are often tucked away near the bottom of the engine where they get hit by road debris or oil leaks that can eat through the insulation. Make sure the wires are not routed too close to high voltage spark plug wires, which can cause electrical interference. If the wiring is solid, you can test the sensor's resistance with a meter. If it is out of spec, swap it out. If a new sensor does not fix it, you might have a more serious mechanical problem like a chipped tooth on the reluctor ring or a ring that has actually come loose on the crankshaft. It's a bit of a deep dive. Catching it early keeps you from being stranded on the side of the road.